Thank you, Gretchen. See you in 12 minutes. You just mentioned this targeting of conservative groups.
Yeah, so top FBI officials investigating the agency say as of right now, there is no evidence to warrant criminal charges. Joining us with his take on this is Judge Andrew Napolitano, Fox News' senior judicial analyst. Judge, what the FBI says that they have not found any evidence of what they call enemy hunting, with the IRS giving extra scrutiny to Tea Party groups. What they have found, and this won't surprise you, is big bureaucracy and some level of ineptitude.
Yes. And the way the law is written, the IRS is given so much leeway to investigate whoever it wants. You almost have to find bribery on the part of an IRS agent to look the other way or to look more carefully before you can find a crime. Now,
so it was 282 to 8, right?
What is
the investigation,
yes.
They found 282 conservative groups were investigated,
yes.
as opposed to like 8 liberal groups, and there was no crime found.
Here's my observation, and people need to know this. The culprit is the Congress, because the Congress has so written the laws that any president, Democrat or Republican, can use the IRS for political purposes without committing a crime. Richard Nixon did it when he was in office. Barack Obama did it has been doing it to an extreme extent. Other presidents of both parties haven't done it as extremely as they have. It's Congress's fault because they each want, when their party is in power, to have that liberality with those laws.
Now,
it's terribly, terribly unfair because it's subjective. The law is not predictable. How can you predict when the president's wrath or political supporters are going to generate more activity by the IRS?
Well, one of those Congress people, the committee chairman, in fact, investigating this, Darrell Issa, has said he does not trust this investigation, in part because it has come out this week that the FBI has only just now, 8 months later, interviewed the victims, the very Tea Party groups. Why wouldn't they have interviewed them sooner?
I share Congressman Issa's concern and even anger, but there's nothing that he can do. The only thing that could be done is a new election. The president can't run for re-election again, so that's really moot for the next 3 years. We're persuading the attorney general to appoint an independent counsel, and he's not going to do that. So we are stuck with this.
You're saying this dies here, then?
Yes. There'll be political ramifications. Some Democrats may lose their seats in closely contested House and Senate seats because this will be an issue. What did you know about it? What did you do about it? How did you stop this? But in terms of legally stopping it, the president is free to use these IRS agents, and he has.
And the only remedy is political.
The only remedy is political.
Election.
Through an election. Get a Congress in there to change the laws so that the IRS is independent of the White House. That has never happened since the IRS has been around. 100 years.
Well,
wow.
Thank you, Judge.
Judge, great to see you.
Pleasure.
Andrew Napolitano here with us. Thanks.